Hi everyone, today we're gonna make iPhone. For this project, I will be using black and gray for the main body. Then you will need some rainbow color for the app. You will also need a phone. You can use any brand, any model. And 3D printing pen. Now let's get started. First, we're gonna pack our phone with paper. This is copy paper. That way we won't hurt our phone. So now our phone is well protected. Now we're gonna make these 3 sides first. Then make these 2 sides later. Okay, I'm gonna start with the side here. On the side here, on this edge, we wanna keep it as straight as we can be. So I'm gonna start from here. For this part, I'm gonna set it in low speed. Now we're gonna do our first layer on the edge here. Now repeat this step and do it on the other side. We're gonna make in the center, just connect them together. This is just first layer, so it doesn't need to be very nice and neat. Now for the center here, we can use high speed. Okay, now we have finished our first layer. Now we're gonna add some more layer to make it smoother on the surface. Now for this layer, we wanna try to keep it as neat as we can. Now we're gonna repeat this step and do it on this side. Now I'm gonna repack our phone. That way we'll be closer to the real size. Okay, now we're gonna work on this side. Okay, now we have finished this side. We're gonna do the same on the other side. Now we're gonna make the face. For inside screen area, I'm gonna use gray, and outside use black for the body. So I'm gonna do the screen area first using gray. Now we have finished our gray area. This is our screen area. Next, we're gonna fill in this black area. Okay, now we have finished our face. Now we're gonna make a little circle right here for the bottom. Okay, now we have finished our face. Now we have finished all the bodies and add all the apps. Now we're gonna connect these two pieces together. Now, basic of our iPhones, it's all done. Now if you want to add some detail on the side like this, we can add some gray on the side. For the logo, you can print out a template and just draw it on the paper and glue to it, or you can just draw straight on the case. Now we have finished our iPhone. I will be posting lots of pictures on my Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. If you guys make this iPhone, please take a picture and send it to me. I would love to see your pictures. And if you have any suggestion for my next video, please let me know. Leave a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!